Hello everybody, I'm Chung. I'm going to give a presentation about our HCI proceeding entitled Deep Learning Approach to Search the Artwork in Art Museum utilizing Instagram hashtags. What I'm trying to do is to search artwork style from Instagram hashtags. I have questions for accessibility to modern art museum. Most of you major in visual art or design, but if you're not, as a future visitor of museum, you have no domain knowledge. It can be difficult to decide to where to visit and what to see. Each famous museum like Louvre, Pompidou Center, or Britain Tate Modern, Museum of Modern Art, and Google Art and Culture site, each site have more than approximately 100,000 collections. Visual culture studies show that art museum visitors have difficulty meeting their needs to consume the visual culture of art. Thus, visitors are provided with selectable criteria to search for artwork as an accessible, marketable, and educational experience in art museums. Hashtag can be helpful for imitation approaching images of art. The subjectivity of selection is critical point to the experience of art. To support the shareholder experience for art, museums share their enormous data and explore the tool developed. The subjectivity of selection is the critical point to the experience of art. Everyone can get the feature of art museum. Like when you go to Louvre, you want to see Mona Lisa, of course. However, everyone have their own style. Here, we should explore how shareholder images are possibly linked mutual to the art museum. Given that mutual interaction of Instagram emerged, art museum have Instagram accounts to interact with visitors for marketing. The hashtag has determined the curatorial aspect. Therefore, this study suggests that hashtags will enhance the search image of art museum. For this reason, shareholders' image archive from Instagram are important to support finding art images of their style. Check if users' type of images are not overfitting data, and improve searching for visual perception. Accuracy and usability from hashtag images can support curating and searching. This study verified the validation and consistency while training and testing deep learning. For training, first, hashtag was selected. Second, hashtag image data was collected. And third, hashtag images were pre-processed. Selecting standard is distinctive image for their keyword. Hashtag cute, top 10 rank of frequency. Hashtag fashion, top 3. Hashtag food, top 27. And hashtag nature, top 14 are selected. 8,000 images from hashtags were pre-processed, deleting images of the advertisement and selfie. For the test, first art museum selected, second images collected, and third pre-processed. The art museum is where history is made rather than collected history in the museum. Therefore, MoMA, Museum of Modern Art, is a critical place as exhibition and curator discourse for modern art. Moreover, the Getty is comparison cluster that is well known as Getty Image, a great archive and research place. Each art museum images of painting were focused on this paper other than the play, sculpture, or picture performance. All image data were collected from Instagram in April 2015 until March 2022. Images were collected. The experimental procedure are presented twofold. Displayed left side figure part will be determined by training accuracy, and on the right side of the figure part will be determined by test validation. This study explored the relation of different image prediction. The training data set was tested during trying to validate the classification model, and transit bottleneck computation as final stage of training. Given input image, rating, and attribute assignment are provided by for hashtag layer, and then their weights are regularized during training. Each attribute layer employed to output a prediction score layer can be a feature extractor of predicted hashtag score. The artwork is classified by hashtag image in the stage display in figure. After validating the model as fitting data in the next stage to support the style utilization, the art museum will be classified on hashtag style. An accuracy result of over 80% is needed, while a small gap between training and validation might require to be adjusted to other data. It is trained by using 8,000 hashtag images in table. It is collected for hashtag as below. The tensor board displays the image used for classification figure as figure, display the image of training accuracy. To support that hashtag recognition and classifying art images posted on Instagram were tested. Instagram data training is over 80% accurate. The little gap between train and validation makes classify images of figure problem. Look at the training result can be considered that is retrained model is enabled an investigation related to art style. To validate the result, a consistency score is key to the analysis. Above table display artwork classification. The score presents the value of the similarity of a hashtag to artwork. The result showed the consistency over 90%. Hashtag cute matched 128 works of art that consisted of 30 in MoMA and 98 in the Getty. So that you don't need to go for a starry night of Gohu. You can go for a cute if you want to watching something cute. There is Nara Yoshimoto's image of MoMA that works for cute. So that if you start, it suits for that. That is 2018. 218 artwork spread over 2,000 works were proven classified by hashtag for feature attribute. Here was an exam consisted of over 90% artwork can be classified as hashtag. The hashtag could conduct in art museum style. The test classify each style with hashtag in table. This trained model found similarity in visual feature. One interesting finding is hashtag cute in both art museum. Image style classification correlate the feature, little correlate the keyword. Hashtag are an important way to get more reach. Limited in hashtag cute, fashion, food, nature. Hashtag implemented a high score as displayed in figures in this study. Comparing MoMA with the Getty show that the mean over 90% consistency of hashtag is somewhat surprising that little nature was noted in MoMA. The Getty has more images of nature in high score. However, the number of art image classification is not enough. That is more fashion hashtag in MoMA than the Getty. Art museum have less tendency for hashtag food than in Instagram. This finding broadly support the work of other study in area linking Instagram image with artificial intelligence in marketing. So if you want to go for something food images, you don't choose MoMA. So this result support evidence from previous study. It's been proven posts that include hashtag get over 12% more interaction or possible explanation for hashtag may be easy way to boost engagement. Furthermore, with this result, art images are positioned in the hashtag style. in the context of art museum, as well as shareholder get the display tendency. Perhaps dim learning could be used in other style and genre of images of classification. This study examined the feasibility of using hashtag as a cluster of images to find artwork in art museum. The results have shown the possibility that shareholders find artwork with their user image style through keyword. The results suggest the capability of a hashtag in determining art museum style. When using hashtag for accessibility, it is supposed that the active use of image deep learning will improve both finding art and museum cognitive appraisal. In addition, hashtag broaden search and can be effective for those with difficulty in searching with their standard. The technology is effective and still need to be validated in the art world because this study only focuses on limited hashtag and museum. Since the study is only concerned with the Instagrammable image from hashtag, the generality of this result is subject to certain limitation. However, the Instagram aspect and can offer accessibility to art. This because this limited way can be a visual perspective on art who may have little knowledge about artist style, genre, based on creator theory and history. Each user have their own image for hashtag too, so that you don't need to go around on the crowd of the Mona Lisa that you cannot see at all. You can go for your style. This style of users' data that access that the way we consume visual culture have transformed to be a visual communication and a place to meet art. Understanding the next work could make it possible to understand the requirement. Deep learning image network utilizing hashtag is a need in diagnosing today's art and finding a way for future visitors to study better. Thank you for your listening.